Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream cheese bubble tea. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 ounces of softened cream cheese, 5 ounces of heavy cream and 1 ounce of milk. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of sugar and a small pinch of salt. For the base, select your favorite brewed tea and have about 1/4 cup of tapioca pearls ready. Finally, grab some ice and a tall glass. Now let's create that delicious cream cheese foam. In a bowl, combine your 2 ounces of softened cream cheese, 5 ounces of heavy cream and 1 ounce of milk. Stir in the 1 tablespoon of sugar and that tiny pinch of salt. Using an electric mixer, whip these ingredients together until the mixture becomes light, airy, and fluffy. The goal is a foam that's thick enough to beautifully float on top of your tea. Next, we'll prepare the tea and tapioca pearls. Brew your favorite tea as usual, then set it aside to cool completely. For the pearls, bring about 3 cups of water to a rolling boil. Add your 1/4 cup of tapioca pearls and cook them for 5 to 7 minutes, or until they are perfectly soft and chewy. Drain the pearls, then rinse them quickly with cold water to prevent them from sticking together. Finally, it's time to assemble your delightful cream cheese bubble tea. First, spoon the cooked tapioca pearls into the bottom of your tall serving glass. Next, fill the glass with plenty of ice cubes, leaving a bit of space at the top. Carefully pour your cooled, brewed tea over the ice and pearls. The grand finale, gently spoon that luscious cream cheese foam right on top of your tea. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.